Hey y'all, what's up? I'm Seth, and I'm going to walk you through getting Black SEO Analyzer set up on Windows. I'm going to do this two separate ways today. I'm going to start by just doing a basic, simple install that anybody can do without administrative privileges or anything. And then I'm going to do a more advanced installation so that if you want it to be installed like a real, first class application, we can do that. So let's do it. Let's dive in. You're going to start by going to github.com/SethBlack/Black SEO Analyzer, as I've done here. And you're going to want to scroll down to the releases. Every time there's a new release, it gets put out here. And we're installing on Windows, so we're going to grab the Black SEO Analyzer Windows executable, download that. And it is now done. And if we go to our terminal, now I have my terminal set up already. If you don't, no big deal. Terminal, bam. Should pop right up. And let's maximize this guy so we can see what's happening. If we go directly to downloads, we will see that Black SEO Analyzer, hey, yep, look at that, even auto-completed for me, is essentially running. There is no installer, there is nothing crazy that you need to do. So from here, all right, step one, you got it, it's running. I like to have project folders. So if we go back and we go into my programming directory, see, it cheated, it showed you what I was gonna do. There's we're going to create an SEO directory. We're going to go into the SEO directory. So I'm basically just doing on my command line what you can do. You can just drag and drop the file, like right click, create new folder or directory, and copy and paste the file into that. I'm just doing that through the command line. So this is just like an easier way for me to get access to it. So I've got a new folder inside of my programming folder called SEO. And we're just going to copy over the downloads. Let's see, yep. Exactly what I wanted. Bam. And then when we ls, we should see it. And we can clear. There we go. ls. There it is. And then we'll do one more thing. We're just going to move the Black SEO Analyzer Windows x86-64, all that with the version information. We're just going to rename that to Black SEO Analyzer. And there it is. Now it's just called Black SEO-SEO-Analyzer.exe. And if we do version, there it is. Same application, nothing's changed, nothing crazy. So it's now installed and we can even run a crawl. I don't have a license, so we're just gonna get the unlicensed maximum of 3 warning right there. Yep, 3 pages. And there you go, a few seconds, it has crawled and analyzed 3 pages. So it's installed, it's up and running. And if we look in this directory, let's do that a little bit nicer. There we go. There's set server analysis that you can open up with a web browser, look at your analysis, do all that fun stuff. We'll get into that in different videos. We're just trying to get it installed here. So that's it for the basic, simple, easy user install. I definitely recommend having like an SEO folder, something like that on your computer. Again, like I was saying, it just keeps everything clean and in one place. You don't want files all over your desktop. Only crazy people do that. Don't do that. So let's move on. Let's get this thing installed now on a more advanced installation. So I'm gonna re-download it because I pulled it out of my downloads directory, but pretend that we're starting over and we're downloading again. So it's gonna have like 1,000 installs. Yep, there it is. Now it's downloaded number 2.exe. Now what I want you to do is go to terminal over here. And what we have is a run as administrator. If you don't have access to this on your computer, you probably shouldn't be doing it. But if you are an admin and you're a power user, you can definitely do it this way. So what we're going to want to do is we're going to want to go to our C drive now, program files, and we're going to make a directory called Black SEO Analyzer. And we're going to go into that directory. Bingo. And it should be empty. And then we're going to move, let's see, downloads, Black SEO Analyzer, yep, to here. And now it's in here. And then what we're going to do is we're going to move the Black SEO, 3 times the charm, to Black SEO Analyzer.exe. There we go. Now we have Black SEO Analyzer in C program files, Black SEO Analyzer. So now it's in a more like system-centric place. And now we're going to go to, I'm cheating, it's already there. So if you type system environment variables, you can edit system environment variables and click on this guy. And now you've got two sets. You've got users for your local user or entire system. Again, this depends on how much of a power user you want to be. If you want to edit it for everyone, cool. If you want to edit it for just yourself, that's what I'm going to do here. So we've got C, program files, Black SEO Analyzer. I'm going to say OK. Let's see if that actually saved. Yep, it's right there. Good, good. Okay, 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 okay. Let's see if this worked on the first try. Bingo! Now Black SEO Analyzer is available from anywhere on the command line because it's now part of your system environment. So you can be in any directory, and as a power user, this is extra useful. So if you've got a bunch of different projects that you're working on, you don't have to worry about going directly to your like users, SBlack, programming, SEO directory to run it. But again, this is for power users. If you want to just do it the simple way, that's totally cool too. All right, thank you very much, and y'all have a good one. Bye.